Okay, so we're on the next step here, and we've created a folder and all of that good stuff, and we created the function for the FS file upload. So basically, now we have an action, which is the URL that we're going to use here, and so that URL would actually be the modules.php question mark name equals, and then of course it equals to the module name, and then it's going to equal the AMP, which is an ampersand, um, and then the op equals fs upload file. So this is where we're going to get the URL that we're going to be directed to when we upload these files, and it's going to upload to the function, which is the FS file upload right here. So what we need to do now is actually go down into this FS upload file function, and we need to create path parts. What we're gonna be uploading is the file is gonna have a base name, and then it's gonna be the upload name of the file, and then we'll need the extension, and then we'll have the file name. And so we just need to define what that is. So what we will use is we'll just use path parts, and that's going to equal path info, and then the HTTP post files, and that's going to equal the upload. Oops. And the name. And then the base name is going to equal the path part, and it's going to be equal to base name. And then we have the extension, which is going to be the path parts, and it is going to be extension, and then the file name. Now let's clean this up just a little bit so it looks a little nicer. Now all we've done is told it that we're going to have a base, the path part is equal to the HTTP post files, the upload, and the name. And the base name is this, and the base name. And then the extension is the extension, whether it's .zip, .rar, or PDF, or whatever. And then you have the file name, which is file name. Now what we can do is we can drop a line and just test it, and what we'll do is we'll just echo the HTTP post files, and we're going to grab the upload, and we're going to grab the name of that upload. Oops. Oops. Okay, so we have the what we're going to do is we're going to echo the HTTP post files, which is upload and name, which is going to be our file name and the extension. So what we can do is save this, and we will go back here and we'll just refresh, and then we'll browse for a file, and let's just say we'll do sample download 1 RAR. Let's click open and click submit file. Now it will let us know that that file name is sample download 1 RAR, and it did send us to the FS upload file. It did not, however, upload anything to this folder or create another folder. So we just know that it's working, and it's the HTTP post files that is now working. So that's it for this section of the video. But that's why we have the global here, and that's why we're using it here. This is the path parts, because they're in separate sections. So that is it for this section. We will be back with the next section, which we will build the SQL database. Thank you.